welcome back. I am about to go edit this video that you are about to watch, and I realized I never filmed an intro. So, enjoy this video of me making French dips with homemade sourdough baguette bread, or don't. I mean, that's really up to you. But yeah, enjoy it if you watch it. Okay, bye. Alright, so in this bowl I have 345 grams of lukewarm water, and I'm going to add 100 grams of my active starter. I fed it last night and it was definitely more ready this morning, but it's okay. It'll be fine. All right, now I'm going to add 235 grams of bread flour, which luckily I have. And now I'm going to add 200 grams of regular all-purpose unbleached flour. Alright, I'm going to mix this up until it is shaggy, and then I'm going to cover it with a towel and let it sit on the counter for 45 minutes, and then we'll add the salt. Alright, it has been about 45 minutes, so now I am going to put 10 grams of salt in here and kind of knead it in. And then I'm gonna let it sit for another 45 minutes. All right, it says too, after this has been a little bit over 2 hours, and that's what it looks like. It seems kind of runny. I've not made this recipe before. This is a new one for me, so it's always a little bit risky. Actually, it's a lot bit risky, but it says to put it on a lightly floured surface. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm going to split it into 3 sections. It's so sticky. Alright, so it has been 45 minutes and I decided instead of making 3 baguettes, I only have a 2-loaf pan. So I just took one of them and split it in half and just combined it to make 2. These are not shaped perfectly. I know that. This is not a tutorial on how to shape baguettes. I'm just using these for French dips. That's all I care about. So, I have shaped them for the second time. I'm going to cover these with a damp towel and let them sit here for roughly 3 hours, and then I will go ahead and bake them. Alright, so for the meat for these French dips, this is what I went with. It's what I normally go with, and it always turns out really good. You could also just like slice up a steak. I have done that before, but I can find this at Trader Joe's and it works really well. And it's a wild dog. Come in. Hello. You think you're gonna get this? Maybe. Maybe. The lighting is so bad in here, but it's just like that time of year, so it is what it is. Oh, you can't even really tell. This is the cheese I really like to use. And I'm gonna broil this for just like, not even a minute, maybe. I really wish the lighting was a lot better, but this is what we got. You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, well, when Jonathan says Jonathan wants French dips, I make the bread homemade. Hey! Hey, it's good.
I know.
I haven't used this recipe before of baguette. Calvin. Stupid fly. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's good?
You're welcome.
Yeah. What do you rate it?
A 10.
Whoa, you heard it here. It's a 10. I mean, it is delicious. If you're gonna make French dips, you should probably make homemade bread. But it's okay if you don't have time. Anyways, I actually have no idea what the next video is going to be because my mom's going to be here this weekend, so she might find something for us to do. But with that being said, and Jonathan going to town on his 10 out of 10 French dip, we're going to go eat our dinner. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!